What's going on, you guys? It's Andrew back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 3 Muslin. Let's get right into it. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in, and today I am really excited to take a look at this new colorway of a Jordan 3. This is a colorway that I was especially interested in because of the vintage style off-white coloring along the midsole and the uppers, as well as the different materials associated throughout the shoe. This is a little bit different than your average Jordan 3, as the upper is made up of almost entirely canvas and suede rather than leather and elephant print. One thing I really like about the shoe right off the bat is the subtle hits of red throughout the shoe, such as on the eyelets, the Jumpman logo, and behind the tongue, as well as that Jordan Air logo on the heel. The bottom of the shoes look like regular Jordan 3 outsoles with Jordan written across the bottom. You've got that off-white midsole, and the whole shoe has kind of a vintage look to it. Just for a bit of reference here, I grabbed the 2018 Mocha Jordan 3s to show you alongside what type of cut the shoe is working with. The Jordan 3 Muslin actually has a higher cut than the Jordan 3 Mocha, which is just something that is synonymous with newer Jordan 3 releases. What we've seen, especially with the All-Star Jordan 3, is a more original shape to the cut of the shoe. It's especially poignant in the toe box area. So as you can see on the Jordan 3 Mocha, the elephant print cut is higher up, giving it a more prominent appearance along the shoe, whereas the gray suede, where the elephant print typically is, on the Jordan 3 Muslin is a little bit shorter, which is closer to how the original Jordan 3 looked. It may not be clear to everybody, but the cuts and shapes of shoes have changed as they've been re-released over the years, especially with Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s, and Jordan 4s. A lot of the original Jordan releases had a higher cut to them because they were more performance oriented. At the time, they were the top tier like Nike basketball sneakers, so which is kind of hard to believe, but if you look at a shoe like the Mocha Jordan 3, it's definitely more of a lifestyle type shoe, whereas the Muslin resembles that original cut and kind of pays an homage to the original performance aspect of the shoe. One more little detail I like about the original cut is that the red does not appear when you're looking at the tongue head on. You kind of have to peel the tongue back to see the red sock liner behind the tongue, which is again synonymous with how the original Jordan 3 was cut and shaped. Like I mentioned already, the off-white kind of gives it a more vintage aesthetic to it, which is kind of the idea behind the colorway. It's something that I think really is done well with this shape of a shoe and the color scheme that we have here. This light gray along the sock liner and the back heel tabs where there's usually elephant print, and along the toe box, it's a nice softer suede, and then the canvas along the whole upper. There's something about canvas takes on a sneaker that give it a more vintage look. I don't know if it's like Chuck Taylors are synonymous with canvas shoes, and that's a very, very vintage style shoe, so I don't know for sure if that's where I'm getting the vintage feel, but I do appreciate it with the Jordan 3. All in all, there's not too much else to say about the colorway except for the fact that this is something that we haven't really seen on a Jordan 3, but it's something that I think would actually look good on a lot of other Jordan sneakers, specifically like the Jordan 4, maybe the Jordan 5. I'm thinking about that kind of colorway on a different retro model that he won a championship in, or that he had some incredible moments playing in. This is a type of sneaker I can really appreciate Jordan Brand coming out with and giving us like a newer take on it. Like I said, there's usually all leather on the Jordan 3 uppers. There's usually elephant print. There's not usually the original style cut to the shoe, but that's all here and present in the Muslin. Now, I don't really know where the name Muslin comes from. I tried looking it up before, but I couldn't really figure it out. So I can't really give you guys too much background on that. But all I can say is if you guys missed out on these, I think these are kind of a sleeper. Again, like I said with the camo Jordan 3s, I feel like this is going to be a sleeper shoe. And in a little while, we're going to look back and prices are going to go up. But again, this is also a general release sneaker, so I don't really see the prices going too crazy. But then again, I've been wrong before. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the Jordan 3 Muslin. Leave a like if you guys made it this far. Subscribe for more content, and I will see you in the next one. This is Andrew signing off. Peace.